Ladies and gentlemen, this is the instructional video for isometric and multi-view sketch number 3. This is the finished product, but I'm going to show you how to build all 4 of those different angles, and it is your goal to try your best to recreate it. The first thing I want to point out, now that you can see the whole thing, is that there are straight and dark lines. And I know I did this on my computer, on my iPad, but you need to make sure that you are doing straight and dark lines. And then also make sure that you are not drawing the red lines, but those red lines indicate how the different views should line up. So you can see how the edges of the top and the front view line up, and the top and the bottom edges of the front and right view line up. Okay, so we're going to build this out. Feel free to follow along and pause as you go, and restart it when you're ready. Okay. First, I'm going to go through the isometric view. You should already have this on your multi-view paper in the upper right-hand corner. In my example, I did not include the shading, but you are welcome to include the shading in yours. Next, we'll move to the top view. For my top view, I chose to rotate around the shape, and I wanted to make sure that my front view had the most detail in it, the most turns, and shows the most details of the shape. So I chose a different top view than might be indicated in the isometric view. So my front view is as follows. I did the basic outline of it, and then I indicated that line to show that that top square is at a different level. It's higher than the remaining lower parts of the shape. And finally, the right side view. I completed the outline first, and then used this line to indicate the 2 different levels of the shape. There's actually 3 different levels: the top rectangle, the middle square, and the bottom square that are showing. Also, just a reminder, we want those edges to line up, and in our drawings, we want to make sure that we are not drawing the red lines. They're just there to show you how the edges of your shape line up between the views. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this was helpful, and this is what you need to complete by the end of today.